Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the Allure specification. So this car features keyless entry. You also get 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and a colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 14,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.